Hi, if you've landed here, you may have already purchased this app. It's basically a database of confirmed penny items at the Dollar General stores from the past. I'm going to tell you the best way to search, but first we're going to go over this. How to use the penny finder. This is the video that you're watching right now if you want to ever go back to it. It's the first line in the app. And facts about the penny shopping and the penny app are in the next line. And then this would be last week's price reductions. And then you go to the penny items. And you'll see there are accessories, books. The book area, I don't have a lot of UPCs, so I just have titles. So you might run into problems there. They may have new versions out. And remember, as I said, there's never a guarantee. They could reset items back to full price. They could stop having penny items at any time. The penny items are supposed to be pulled from the shelves, but sometimes they miss them and we go finding them. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. And the only way that it's a penny is if it rings a penny. You can't have them change something to a penny because you saw it somewhere. So let's take, for example, we'll go to the craft section here. You can see the craft items that have in the past rang a penny. These are our pictures, or people have taken the pictures and let us use their pictures. So the best way that I show people to use this is to use the last four of the UPC, or the last four before the little tiny one on the UPC code. So what you would do is, well, first of all, remember, this is searching crafts. You have to go to the main search if you want to search all of the areas here. So we go here, and there's an ice pack that had pennied. And the last four of the UPC is 3567. It's not actually the last four. It's the last four before the little tiny one. And all you're doing is narrowing down the search with this. 3567. I can't see what the little one is there. But you're going to leave the little one off, and you're going to try it by 3567. So we go to the search bar and put in 3567. And it comes back. And you check the whole UPC to make sure it's correct. And as I said, some people had problems with this and didn't understand what you were doing, why you're putting those four numbers in, and the wrong thing would come back. It's only narrowing down your search. It's not necessarily the right item that's going to come back, because it might be a different, it might be 43000, and then that 3567, and then 895, something like that. It's just narrowing your search to see if it's in there. And if you get a lot of things come back, if a lot of similar UPCs, then maybe put a 5, an extra digit in to see if that exact item. The search is pretty tricky, because if you were to put ice packs with an S, it would not bring this back. That's why I say to use the UPC of the item you find to see if it's in here. Just makes it a lot easier. So that's the main part of the app, the database. There are over 2,000 items in there. There are actually items in there that, let me see if it'll come back, the search will work, that are not a penny. There are some items that people seem to confuse all the time that are not penny items that look like items that have pennied. So there are some in here. As I said, this is not conclusive, it's not guaranteed, it's just a database to try to help you. And if you found this app, then you probably have some idea of penny shopping anyway. If not, you can go to our website, pennypuss.com, and we have tabs on there on how to penny shop, and all the lists of items that we know of that have pennied out, and that website doesn't cost anything. So your second tab here is share. If you have a penny item that is not in the app, you can send us a picture, and you can put the UPC code, and you can send it to us, and we will verify it before we put it into the app. We don't just take, unfortunately, I don't mean to say anyone's dishonest, but we don't just take for granted that whoever's sending us stuff is being legit. So we do check it first. We verify. And then we'd like you to join our team here, about us, and contact us by email. Actually, I think we're going to take this part out, just so you know. All right, well, that is our app, and it is now available. Thanks. Bye.